All right, here we go. Poe. Personal box of In the Game used hockey. He picked box numero 3. Good luck, man. Vintage. Well, that's a good, for a top card, that's pretty good. Old Chopper on top. Okay. I'll just put him back in here. Al McInnes, Paul Coffey, Larry Murphy, and Chris Chelios. Number to 15? Yep, 12 of 15. Followed by a triple. Jackaman, Richter, and Lundqvist to 45. Hey, sometimes the vintage is that second to last. Super of Carey Price to 45. Ooh. Oh, snap. Pavel Bure, Trevor Linden, 5 of 7. Dual jersey, dual auto. Linden, 5 of 7. And 1 of 2 on the back. Patrick Waugh and Dominic Hasek. Dual patch. Hasek, Waugh, 1 of 2. Poe, there you have it.